Hello and welcome to our Cunard Queen Anne vlog series, and in this video we arrive in our first port, Alghero in Sardinia, where we show you the tender process ashore. We show you what dinner in Britannia restaurant is like, and in the second half of the video it's a relaxing sea day where we explore the ship before getting dressed up for our first gala evening. It's a red and gold night.
Thank you very much. Once the 18 forward will be unmarked, we've got two people to come on and he will be...
So this is the chart room. It's really nice in here.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future Cunard Queen Anne videos.
So this is the after pool at 7:45 on a sea day. The beds are out there but all tied up. There's some beds available up at the top on each side, but otherwise you need to wait till 8 o'clock apparently for them to come and release the seats. So this is Aranya. This is very early in the morning. Just thought we'd take a quick look inside. The buffet is through that section, or artisan food hall. It's quite a small, intimate venue, to be fair, so I can imagine it'd be a really nice setting in the evening for a meal and atmosphere. Yeah, lovely. So this is the artisan food hall for breakfast. You've got washing stations there. When you first come in, then you've got your tea and coffee. Just to let you know, the lemonade, apple juice, pineapple and orange is served all day. And like other cruise ships, you just put water on. Good morning. Morning. I also like the way the cups and knives and forks are all on the table for you, so you haven't got to go clambering around if you don't want to. Oh, good morning. These look delicious. Like croissants. What have you got there? Oh yeah.
It's Father's Day.
If only you knew.
To Dad. Happy Father's Day. Have a lovely day cruising, your favourite thing. You are booked in Tramonto restaurant tomorrow. And please have a bottle of wine of your choice to enjoy with your meal. Lots of love, Lydia and Daniel.
But not the £4,450 bottle.
Well, it does say of your choice.
Yeah. Just doing a little walk around deck. We're on a sea day today. We're on our way from Sardinia to Parma. Take it this is the window cleaning equipment. Have a little look over the edge. Oh, this is archery. Deck games. And the entrance to the grills terrace, I believe you can walk through, but I'll give it a go. And then, gosh, that's massive. You don't realise how big it is till you're right underneath it. So you can walk through. I'm not going to now. I'm going to head back on deck 11. Lots of nice little areas for sunbathing. Chest for anyone? There's an area there you can sit underneath if you want to be in the shade.
designers, Liverpool, home to the third Grace, Cunard headquarters for 50 years, modelled on the Farnese Palace in Rome, and looking out over the estuary of the Mersey. Yes, Liverpool was where it all began. Chapter
Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It is free, and turn on the notification bell and it'll just let you know when our next vlog is out.